This video introduces you to the pedagogical use of Skype. In WET, Skype is widely used for counseling, guidance, communication purposes. In this video, you will see 3 examples of how Skype is being used in WET. With Skype, you can hold a meeting, chat, discuss, and share documents. Skype is also suitable for distance education. You can use Skype on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Voice and video make it simple to share experiences with other people, no matter how far away they physically are. A combination of a blog or shared Office 365 document held by the WET student and Skype or other tool that enables distant counseling. The WET students can document their learning experiences on the blog, for example during on-the-job learning, and they get counseling and feedback from the WET teachers through Skype. If you have a conference camera and mic, you can use Skype with a whole classroom of students. You can, for example, invite somebody from working life to speak to the students via Skype. All of the students in the classroom can see and hear what the lecturer is presenting via Skype. After the lecture, students can ask questions and the lecturer can see and hear the students. So, with Skype and a conference camera and mic, it's possible to utilize the expertise of persons far away from WET School's physical premises. Or, for example, practice foreign languages with a group of students from abroad. Skype is a digital tool appropriate for many occasions: distant learning, counseling, instant messaging, presenting, sharing files, or other content. Skype is a tool that enables the WET student to develop his/her communication skills, especially verbal communication. Usually, social media, digital tools enable the development of written communication skills.